Guys, wait. No. This hasn't. No. No. Turned into a ghost. No. Stop. Why have you turned into a ghost? Wait, pull the light back on.
No.
Yeah, I'll do it myself then. 1 minute, guys. Sorry about that. My uncle was being such a weirdo, he turned the lights off. So, how have I turned into a ghost? I need to fix the problem. Oh, no. Try to think how it happened. Unless I just got a ghost bite, I don't know. Turn into the ghost gun. It was the ghost gun I had. But he said it didn't turn you into a ghost. Must be some fault with the gun. Right guys, I'm too sad after end the video.